Hello friends, welcome to Modern Newton channel. Since this is the first video in our channel, we are gonna learn about an powerful man. Are you asking who's that powerful man? He is Bodhidharma. About Bodhidharma, how Bodhidharma died and why Bodhidharma went to China. You will be learning the history of Bodhidharma and many facts about him. Come on, let's go into the video. Who is Bodhidharma? In the state of Tamil Nadu, in city Chennai, there was a place called Kanjipuram. In Kanjipuram, there was a ruler called Kandavarma. Kandavarma's third son is only Bodhidharma. Bodhidharma one day thought to go to China. He told to his father, "Father, I need to go to China. Please approve me." Father told, "My son, you need to be in this kingdom. Why are you going in the way of death?" Bodhidharma replied, "Father, death is the incident which happens one time in a human life. If I die also, I will die happily." Then his father approved him to go to China. He went to China. In the river, he took all his Tamilian weapons and he became a Chinese. And he reached a Chinese village. The Chinese villagers came to know that a big problem will occur in the village. Then Bodhidharma came into the village. Then Bodhidharma was near the house of the villagers. Villagers thought the Bodhidharma is the problem for them, but Bodhidharma was not. Then they attacked Bodhidharma and sent away. At the next day, a virus, very bad virus, affected the villagers. Then the doctors took them out of the village. Then Bodhidharma asked, "Can you please give me this child?" Then they approved to give. Then he gave many medicinal drinks and he treated her child. Then he sent the child to the village and they came to know Bodhidharma is the good man to our village. Then he was teaching everyone the medicinal values. After some days, the other country enemies came to attack Bodhidharma's village. Bodhidharma was not there when they were attacking. Many people were died. Then Bodhidharma fighted with them. He used many martial arts because Bodhidharma learned martial arts and Buddhism in his small age. They came to know that Bodhidharma is not only well in medicinal values, he is a powerful man in martial arts. Then they asked Bodhidharma to be in this village. Bodhidharma also approved for that. Then they also asked Bodhidharma, "Can you please teach us these martial arts?" Bodhidharma approved for that also. He was teaching martial arts for many days and months. One day, the villagers thought another problem is gonna come. Then they gave food to Bodhidharma. At night, Bodhidharma was eating food. He came to know in the food and poison was mixed. He asked, "Why did you mix poison in my food?" They told, "If your body stays in our soil, our Our village will stay good. Then he approached and he ate and died. This is the story of Bodhidharma. And one more important thing, Bodhidharma's skeleton was found recently, but I did not know where, in which country. I think it's in China. And recently, an movie and Tamil genre released in the story of Bodhidharma. Okay friends, I think you might love this video. Please hit a like. If you don't like means, please hit a dislike. Type and comment and subscribe my channel and click the bell symbol and click all so that you can be notified when I put videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.